Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT English question. Woohoo! This is question 3 from the English section of ACT 74H. Right there, you can pause it, pause the video, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause and watch the explanation. See how you did. Sounds kind of tight. Because we're getting in there. Inspired by a game called Magic Squares from his childhood, Wynne drew up a variation that used a diamond-shaped grid with numbered squares in rows and columns. And then we have our options. No change was just inspired by, and then we have a bunch of longer options. Well, the overriding principle I'd like to stick to in ACT English is that I need to have a reason why the shortest answer is not correct. How did A seem? Inspired by a game called Magic Squares from his childhood, Wynne drew up, well, that seems fine, so I'm leaning towards A. But what would make all these other ones wrong? Let's look at B, for instance. He was getting inspiration from a game called Magic Squares from his childhood, Wynne drew up a variation. Well, wait. That just made the first part of the sentence an independent clause, because that could be its own sentence. And then we had a comma, and it said Wynne drew up a variation that used a diamond-shaped grid, and that part could also be a complete sentence. So we have what's called a comma splice, the most common error in the ACT English. If we look at answer choice C, he found inspiration from a game called Magic Squares. Well, that's also going to make the beginning a complete sentence. And answer choice D, he became inspired by. So it turned out this was really a question about comma splices. And the only answer choice that didn't commit that error was answer choice A, the shortest one. Cool! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Or be inspired by a game of your own. Sure. If you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.